Meaning of endurance.
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 Endurance. Endurance refers to the ability of an individual or object to persist through a challenging or physically demanding task or situation. It is a measure of one's stamina, resilience, and fortitude. Endurance can be developed through regular physical exercise, mental training, and cultivating healthy habits such as adequate sleep, nutrition, and hydration. Those with high levels of endurance are often able to push through obstacles and remain focused on their goals, even in the face of adversity. Overall, endurance is a valuable trait to possess for achieving success in various aspects of life.